we are like a human resource. Like if you go to corporates and who been engineer or something, when you go for a job, so where you first apply, it's human resources, right? So we are those people. But here the thing is different in the sense we're not only looking at your qualification, which you said, the talent. Apart from talent, where you are from, what you've been up to, and what is your experience of your life. Casting directors, they don't do casting couch. That's what I want to say. So that's why we go. Like I go to my family gatherings, and suddenly they say, "Acha, what you do? Casting director. So you have big couch. It's a red couch. Is there a lot of?" I said, "No, we don't do that. I don't know. Maybe some people might be doing that, but we don't do that. Like whoever has been working in the industry, who have a good name, doing good projects, they don't do that. When a director or writer writes a film, okay, the first draft it comes and now they know it, they are sure about it. Okay, yeah, this is the film which you want to go out. So we are the first people who get hired in a production house, and they call us. They say, "Okay, listen, Parag, this is a script. See, read, and let me know what do you feel." So, for example, when I started working for Ram Leela, so when we got the script, so Sanjay sir told me ki, just go through the script, let me know, you come back. So, okay, we went back to the script, we figured out how many characters there are. Who are leads, apart from leads, there are primary characters. There are like आजू बाजू के जितने भी लोग होते हैं. उसके बाद who are the secondary leads. They have very important play. So casting director basically casts for all the people who have a speaking part. Sometimes we do cast people who has an interesting face. They are being instrumental in a film. They have to say something to this. Like, ये बंदा कहीं, like if you, I don't know if you've seen Finding Fanny, there were a lot of people in the film. They were just not saying anything, but they were just part of the storytelling because he wanted that way. So when, okay, finally, I'm just coming back to the whole thing. So we come up with our own presentation in which, okay, we feel this character is like this, character is like this. This is without any discussion with director. What we feel, okay, this, like when you read a story, right, for example, so you start imagining a person particular in a particular way, and then we start imagining a person, okay, fine, this might be this might be this, ये ऐसा होगा, ये बंदा ऐसा होगा, उसकी माँ ऐसी होगी. This person we need in particular way, and then we come to a conclusion. We come present to our director, and that's how the whole casting process starts. And then finally we shortlist people, and only those people we shortlist, and those people we test them. So that many times you must be feeling कि अरे यार हमको तो पता ही नहीं चलता फिल्म की कास्टिंग हो गई, हमको पता ही नहीं होता अरे ये तो हो गया, अरे ये कब हो गया, कब चालू हुआ, because it's already been done. Why we call as a casting directors? Because we are not coordinators. We call 70 people, 90 people, and then what's the use? Na? There are so many talented people who've been trained, and there are few people who are not trained, but they are very good at work. As of now, we have 4-5 mediums. I would like to say the TV commercials, films, television, like the serials and everything. Fifth is now this new thing has started called web series. Suddenly they have opened new doors for them. And the fifth one is that the play ki casting bhi hoti. Like the way it happens in US, the Broadway shows started happening over here also. I don't know if you have known about, जैसे Disney के shows हुए थे अभी, Aladdin and a lot of shows. तो उसकी भी casting होने लगी. They are musical Broadway, तो उसकी भी casting होती है. So most of the process are always same. But it's just that we are looking at something, in each and everything we are looking at something else. So the TV commercial is a space where it's regarding about advertising. So we don't need a particular person to sell that. If I need a particular person to sell my product, then I better go with the bigger star. A-lister, Salman sir, Shah Rukh sir, anybody who's a bigger name, who has a brand value. कि कोई भी एक product अगर उनके हाथ में दे दो आप, people wants to buy that product. So when it comes to the rest of the commercial, they need to sell their product, and for that they need a particular kind of a face, particular kind of a people, जो लगे कि हम accept कर सके अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में. Because see, we are in a cities, our audience is very less. Like I mean to say, the catering or vast audience is the rest of the cities, like rest of the area. We call B town, C town, and a lot of other people. So they are sitting in their home and they're watching their television regular shows, and in between those commercial breaks आते हैं, उसमें they want to buy Maggi, they want to buy toothpaste, they want to buy anything, whatever. The criteria of to choose people are different, but what we need actors for each and everything. I don't think so if somebody says कि इसमें acting नहीं होता उसमें acting I think it's a bullshit. सब में actor ही चाहिए उनको. Whether it's a, because you know what, TV commercial is something जो 30 seconds में you have to give the whole expression. So in films and अपना web series, where we are looking for real people, real actors. When you see them and you perform them, you know it. They're going to get me that part. They're going to be part of that whole world. What writer has written and the director is visualizing. Whatever he say, everything. Gone are those days वो जो बोलते हैं टेलीविजन वाले को नहीं लेना है या तो इसको ये टीवी करता है. Sorry, a lot of people say it's an advertising phase. Very good looking people. They say no, they're just advertising people. They're model looking people. No, let's not cast them. No, I mean gone are those days. But what we need actors. If you're a good actor, no matter what, wherever you are, whichever part of the world you are, I'm going to find you. I'm going to find you till the end of your life. I want to cast amalgamation of an actor. कुछ लोगों ने फिल्म करी है, कुछ लोगों ने टीवी किया है, थोड़े कुछ पॉपुलर लोग हैं, थोड़े अनपॉपुलर लोग हैं, and absolutely some very fresh talent. Then you see the cast and it's like, oh wow, the casting is so good.